These are 9 really terrifying videos caught on doorbell camera footage that might make you pee yourself. Number 9. A package thief wearing a blue hoodie is captured on camera stealing a delivery from someone's porch. The thief arrived on a bicycle and spotted the package sitting on the doorstep, quickly absconding with it. It appears that porch piracy has become more prevalent, and I wonder if others share this observation. Have you had a package stolen from your porch? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Number 8. This homeowner in Upland, California was taken aback when they reviewed their camera footage and spotted a massive bear on their front porch. The bear appeared to have been casually inspecting the area, and the homeowner speculated that it may have been searching for food. Despite the unexpected visitor, the owner didn't seem too concerned about the bear's presence. Number 7. In Phoenix, Arizona, a porch pirate was caught in the act of trying to steal from a home. However, the homeowner's friend intervened and managed to convince the thief that he was actually there to sell something.
Want to buy a fan? Yeah, big curling fan. Huh?
Does it work?
It works a little bit. It just needs to be rewired. I spent $140 for it, and it didn't work, and they won't let me take it back. All right, hey, sorry.
Right now, thanks.
Yeah, that's all right, man. Thank you. Good eye, baby.
The friend cleverly pretended to be interested in buying a fan, which he claimed needed rewiring. He even shared his own frustrating experience of buying a faulty fan for $144 and not being able to return it. The thief appeared to buy the story and apologized, bidding the friend good night. Number 6. The Ring doorbell camera captured a terrifying moment when a massive lightning bolt struck dangerously close to a swimming pool in someone's backyard. The video begins with a view of the pool on a gloomy day, before suddenly capturing a bolt of lightning. Thankfully, nobody was outside at the time of the incident, as it would have been a miracle for anyone to avoid getting hurt in such a dangerous circumstance. Number 5. In the middle of the day, 2 masked men were caught on camera climbing a fence and approaching a house in Inglewood, California. Despite dogs being on watch outside, the men managed to break in without being detected. Strangely, the dogs didn't bark at the intruders at all. 2 minutes later, another camera caught the men running out of the front door and making their way to a white getaway car. The thieves fled the scene successfully without getting caught. Number 4. In Decatur, Georgia, a distressing video captured the moment a woman's French bulldog was stolen from her front porch. Surprisingly, the dog didn't seem to get agitated when picked up by a complete stranger.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, I'm good. I got pepper! I got the pepper! I got the pepper! You know where your home at. You know. Okay, let me call food.
However, within 2 minutes, the dog was back home, with the thief nowhere to be seen. But fortunately, the woman was able to retrieve her beloved pet. Had she been a few minutes later, she would have woken up to the heartbreaking reality of a missing dog. Number 3. While browsing through scary Ring doorbell camera videos on the internet, one may come across footage of a creepy stranger approaching the front door. However, the following video, captured in Chicago, Illinois, presents a different type of scare. On a gloomy day, a vehicle suddenly makes a sharp turn to avoid a collision with another vehicle, but ends up crashing into a tree in front of a nearby homeowner's house. The driver exits the car and paces around angrily before eventually getting back in and driving away, leaving behind a perplexed and shaken homeowner. Number 2. In October of 2002, Doorbell News posted a video capturing a female porch pirate in the act of rummaging through someone's mail. The footage, which quickly garnered attention online, serves as a reminder of the ongoing issue of package theft and the importance of home security measures. Before we get to number 1, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this video and want to see more like this one. Number 1. A porch pirate in Los Angeles, California recently stole something of immense value from an unsuspecting person: their dog. The shocking incident captured on video shows a thief struggling to get the dog over the fence before successfully making off with the beloved pet. The pet owner is undoubtedly devastated by this heinous act, and many are hoping for a quick and safe reunion. The perpetrator of this cruel crime deserves to be brought to justice and held accountable for their actions. Continue being terrified by watching more of our videos.